No problem. So this is common to everybody, yeah. So then the well-being, the happiness is so important. So the important thing is we need to have physical fitness, or whatever you call it, or physical hygiene, or healthy body, whatever you call it, yeah. So we need this, and then we also need happy mind, so mental well-being, so these two very, very important. That's why everybody is moving, I see everybody is moving, even insects. Recently cockroach come here, they come and you try to touch, they run away because they want to be happy. So it's common, yeah. So it's common. So then how should we have a healthy body, healthy mind, and there are many, many ways. So according to Tibetan medicine, you see, first you see se, which is food. We have to take care of food. Then chopa, cholam, our lifestyle is very important. These two, these two very, very important. In Tibetan we say mine thamje seneins, tane thamje dugneins. So it means all human disease is because of what you eat, and all horse disease is because they run. So that's a proverb. So
Just one sec, Dr. Chok, let me just translate. Ahmed, did you explain to your mother? Can you understand?
I'm trying to understand it.
Okay, so basically Bahar Hanım, Dr. Chok söylüyor ki ilk olarak bizim dikkat etmeli yemektir. What could you say that again? So sorry.
mine thamje seneins, all human disease is because and tane, the horse, tane, all disease disorder of a horse is because of raising, running.
Okay, bütün insan yemek yemelidir. No, özür dilerim. Bütün hastalık yemekten dolayıdır. Bir de all horses, what's with the horses?
Horse disease is because of running.
Aha, atlar koşmaktan dolayı, insan yemekten dolayı hasta oluyorlar. Atlar koşmaktan dolayı hasta oluyorlar. Bu Tibetçe bir şey. Sonra kısım anlatıyorum size. Şimdi bu konu hakkında başladık. So sorry Dr. Chok.
So they understand English, yeah?
Ahmed, a little bit. Bahar Hanum has just started. I will just interrupt once in a while and just give them a quick resume.
So you see, what we eat matters a lot, and now people eat a lot of junk food, and they have all the problems, and we call it the rich man's disease, because they have chubu naza. So we have all high blood pressure, cholesterol, fat, because it's a rich man's disease. So it's all because of food.
Yeah.
And then
yemekten dolayı ya. Mesela abur cubur yerken herkes hasta olur. Özellikle zengin insanlar çok zengin yemek yiyorlar. O yüzden hastalık geliyor onlara. Sorry.
Okay. So then lifestyle, you see, lifestyle is so important. What do you do with your body? What do you do with your mind? What do you do with your breath? All this matters for, health.
İkinci olarak hayat tarzı. Vücut ile ne yapıyorsun, nefes ile ne yapıyorsun, bu da çok önemlidir. İlk olarak yemek, ikinci olarak hayat tarzı. Sorry.
Okay. So, okay. So now you see, the medicine comes much, you see, in the third. You see, when you have to take care of what you eat, what you drink, and then lifestyle, how you live, this matters. And then when you get sick, then we have medicine. Only medicine comes, And then if medicine doesn't work, then we have physical therapy. We have external therapy. Okay, so here we're learning yoga, Tibetan yoga. And then to take care of mind, then the meditation is very much important. Okay.
Just one second. İlk olarak hayat dengeye getirmek yemektir. Sonra hayat tarzı. Eğer birisi hastaysa yemek değiştiriyoruz. Sonra hayat tarzı için bir kural var. Biz sonra yoga yapıyoruz dengelemek için. Sonra hey Sonia.
İlaç.
Eğer ilaç çalışmıyorsa fiziksel tedavi veriyoruz. Fakat şimdi bir de akıl dengelemek için meditasyon yapıyoruz. Okay, sorry Dr. Chok.
So anyway, so today you see what is body, energy, mind, So body, when we talk about body, see our body. So then we have this body and that's a growth. That's something which we can touch, But that is not alone. We have subtle body. We have subtlemost body as well, And the subtle body are the chakras and channels. Okay.
Just one second. Sadece bizim vücudumuz sadece kas, kemik değil. İçinde bir sistem kanal var. Enerji onlardan içinde dolaşıyor. O yüzden aslında beş tane vücudumuz var. Bu
Çakra.
Çakralar, kanallar, sinirler, öyle şeyler ya. Sorry Dr. Chok.
Okay. So you want continue to translate or what?
Just a little bit from time to time.
Yeah.
Ahmet, translate Ahmet.
Okay. And mother understands English, yeah?
No, Ahmet has to translate. He understands English.
I'm trying.
Yes,
Okay.
I'm trying.
So anyway, so in other words, actually our body is channels and chakra inside out. Okay, it's we talk about 72,000 channels and 84,000 chakras.
72.000 kanal var vücut içinde ve 84.000 çakralar var vücutta.
Channel means open, chakra means block. Very simple.
Aha, kanal açıktır, çakralar bağlı. Yeah.
Okay, so with the Tibetan yoga, it's not stretching. These are important, but important is how to open these channels, how to open this chakra. This is important.
Tibet yoga ile biz vücut esnetmiyoruz. Sadece bu derin iş yapıyor. Bu çakralar, bu bağlı olan çakralar biraz açmaya çalışıyoruz.
Yeah. So this is important. Okay, those who understand English digest. Yeah. when Simona translate. So in other words, you say the physical body is made up of 5 elements.
Vücut beş enerji, madde enerji.
Evet.
So we have first this gross body. You see, we have solidity, the solid thing, which is earth element.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we have liquid. So liquidity is the liquid element, which is the water element. And then we have Sachumen, the heat
Fire. Yeah.
from here to here, which is the fire element. And then we have energy, including breath, which is very gross, but in our body they are energy. 5 main energies. There are a lot of energy, but 5 main energies, so which actually flow in our body. So that's a wind element. So this 4 plus we need space, to flow this energy, and then we have the space element. So basically our body is made up of 5 elements.
Just one second. Bizim vücudumuz 5 basit enerjilerden toprağın enerji, suyun enerji, ateşin enerji, havanın enerjisi ve sonra space bilmiyorum.
Uzay. Uzay.
Uzay değil ya. Uzay değil, sadece yer. Boşluk. Yes, very good. Thank you, Ahmet. Thank you. Sorry, Dr. Chok.
Okay, so understood. In anybody, you can ask question in between, so it's like friendly discussion. Okay, so this is very important to understand. So when there is the imbalance of these 4 elements, okay, and then in Tibetan medicine we call disorder, so there is no balance. So then it's disease. It's not ease, it's disease.
Enerjiler eğer dengeden çıkarsa o zaman hastalıktır. Yani, dengesizlik.
Okay, so a little bit. Now you see physical body can influence the mind also, and mind can also influence the body.
Vücut akıl etkileniyor, zihin etkileniyor, zihin vücut etkileniyor. İki taraftan.
So therefore 3 trainings we need, because we are body, speech and mind. We usually say.
Vücut, akıl ve konuşma var. O yüzden üç şey yapmalıyız.
So body, explain a little bit, and then speech, which is the energy.
Vücut madde gibidir, fakat konuşma enerjidir.
And mind, it's very difficult to understand, and many think its brain is not.
Zihin anlamaya çok zor bir şeydir. İnsan genellikle zihin beyindir, fakat Tibetler öyle düşünmüyorlar.
So anyway, if you come, follow all the program, then we will have a complete understanding.
Eğer bütün dersler katılacaksınız, sonunda anlayacaksınız.
So we have a body, and usually I say, if we do not have this body, we become nobody.
Biz vücudumuz var. Eğer bu vücut yoksa kimse olacağız. Hiç kimse olacağız.
Okay. So now the relation between the outside world and our mind, the bridge is the body.
Vücut köprü gibi, dışarıda ve içimizdeki ve dışarıdamız köprü vücuttur.
Yeah. So we understand the world through this body. Okay. And now the body and mind, they should be another bridge, and that is the breath.
Vücut ve zihin arasında bir köprü daha var. O bizim nefesimizdir.
So if you know how to control breath, which we always breathe, and then we'll understand the mind very quickly.
Eğer nefes nasıl kontrol edebilirsiniz, anlıyorsanız, o zaman ikisi de anlayacaksınız.
So in Tibetan yoga and then the other yogas, other than Tibetan yoga, the only difference is through what we call vast breathing, so no breathing. Okay, so when you learn to control the breath inside, we call it will come later, and then when we hold this, and then when you move your body in a particular way according to what you need, you see, and then it becomes very, very powerful.
Okay, so if I understand, let me repeat this. If I understand correctly, the difference between, let's say, classical Indian yoga and Tibetan yoga is the vase breathing, like holding the breath in a vase, right?
Yes.
Is that right? So sadece normal yoga ve Tibet yoga bir fark var. Bu fark sadece vazo içinde gibi nefes tutarak bu bir yöntem var. Aslında nefes tutarken hareket ediyorlar. Nefes tutarken. Normal, evet, Hint yoga öyle bir şey yok. Sorry.
In other words, you see, we Tibetan yoga is kept secret because we use it not for physical health or mental health. It basically we practice yoga to generate insight.
Aslında Tibet yogası uzun zamandır bizim zamanlara kadar gizliydi. Çünkü onlar nefes vücut kontrol etmek ya da esnetmek ya da zihin kontrol etmek değil. Onlar vücut içinde ısıtma yapmak. Sonra anlatıyorum ya. Bir de enerji kontrol etmek.
Yeah. So to generate inner heat, we call tumo.
Ya, bu yoganın adı tumo, içindeki ateş demek.
Okay. So then we will learn more about tumo. I think I will not teach you tumo correct in a because you need to have transmission. But we will learn similar type, but it's good for generating heat. It's called wisdom heat.
Biz aslında bu tumo yoga bu içindeki enerji ateş için özel bir izin gerekiyor. Öğretmenden özel bir izin gerekiyor. O bize vermiyor, bize tanımıyor. O yüzden sadece daha bir hafif versiyon verecek. Bu zihnin ya da bilginin ateşi demek bir yogadır.
So when you have this inner heat, we call wisdom. The general heat, you see, like fever, that we call karmic heat, So that's very not healthy for the body. When you have fever, you see, it actually gives you more problem. But when you generate this wisdom heat, then it's blissful. You have a lot of peace, mental peace.
Aslında bu içindeki ateş tam bizim ateşimiz gibi değil. Ateş aslında vücuda zarar veriyor. Bu bilginin ateşi vücut rahatlıyor, enerji daha iyi dolaşıyor. Çok iyi bir şeydir.
Okay, so then so that little bit about that, Now also sitting matters a lot. How to sit is very, very important because this sitting is related with the 5 chakras and 5 main energy in our body.
Bu oturma yöntemi ben size söyledim önce. Oturma çok çok önemlidir. Çünkü bu 5 madenin vücudumuzdaki ile bağlıdır. Nasıl oturuyoruz?
Which I will teach later. Chakras, channels is later, okay?
So bu ders içinde her şey öğreteceğim size.
So that's a rough idea. Then now next topic. Okay, now we will learn first, you see, our body, as I told you, it's like it's like a container, yeah, it's like a mug. Okay, so we learn to wash this inside also. Okay.
One second. Bizim vücudumuz bir kupa gibidir. O her yemek ya da içmekten önce bu temiz olmalıdır. O yüzden ilk olarak ne öğretiyoruz? Nasıl temizlemek, vücut içindeki nasıl temizlemek?
So we wash body only outside, but washing inside is very, very important.
Ya, dışarıda hep duş alıyoruz, dışarıda temizliyoruz fakat içinde kimse temizlemiyor.
And it's very simple. It's simply done through 9 breathing techniques, just 9.
Sadece 9 nefes yöntem ile yapabiliriz. Çok basit bir şey.
Okay. So simple, if you want to do exercises, you can do, but if you don't want to, then it's fine. You see, the important thing is you should sit properly, or if you're sitting on a chair, it's fine, just sit. But the important thing is the breath, okay? So
Okay.
anyway, in this, you see, I will explain 9 round of breathing quite deep, quite deep, okay?
Okay,
So
sadece
still, I will continue to teach maybe 4 or 5 sessions on 9 round of breathings.
4 ya da 5 ders içinde bu 9 yöntem temizlemenin 9 yöntemi öğretecek. Çok derin şekilde. En önemli şey oturma, söylediği gibi oturmadır.
So we are using body, we are using mind, and we are using breath. All these three, body, speech, mind, all using together.
Biz vücut kullanıyoruz, nefes kullanıyoruz, zihin kullanıyoruz.
So this 9 round breathing, you see, you will actually, if you do it properly, just nine breathings, you will see a huge difference. You can feel, the body is something going on, and mentally you can feel cool, you feel alert.
Eğer iyi şekilde yapacaksınız bu 9 temizleme sistemi çok serin olacak, vücut çok hafif, zihin çok serin, her şey dengede olacak.
So on my YouTube, you will see this, so you can, you see, check my YouTube, yeah. I think it's also in the group we sent, right?
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, so this we call the ring finger, right? Base the ring finger, you put your thumb and close.
Okay, bu şey yüzük parmağın kökünde bu parmak koymalısınız. Actually, just 1 second. We have 3 minutes, about 3 minutes to go. We will get cut off in 3 minutes. The link is the same for everybody. So again, I'm saying this for Emma and Sonia who joined later. The link is the same. So we just click on the same link and just join again.
3 minutes ready. Okay, so here, not on the knee right here, but just, you see where there is the, little bit soft, that area, then you hit this part, okay?
Yaparak öyle el yaparken bacağının kas vuracaksınız. İzleyin onu, o gösterecek.
Don't hit the knuckle, then you will have pain. So like this.
Kaslar vurmalısınız. Kemik vurmayın, acıyor.
So then you bring your hands up, pull the energy. See here.
Eller evet getiriyorsunuz. Bütün enerjiler burada
Bring it up to your breast, and from here, then from here, okay, straight from here, you do like this, and then you throw straight, and then you do like this. No, okay, so like this, fast. Then it makes sound. Here you can feel the sound, yeah.
Bir ses çıkartacaksınız. Vururken bir ses gelecek, yeah?
Yeah. It's not like this, yeah. Up, no, it's not down, it's shoulder, yeah. Shoulder here.
Omurgan. Üst değil, aşağı değil, omurgan.
Tam geliyorsun kafana geliyor.
Ahmet, turn off the microphone, please.
And this gap is same as your head. So it's not, your head is...
Aynı şey, distance, Ahmet, how do I say distance?
Hareket. Mesafe.
Distance, mesafe. Thank you so much, Bahar Hanım. Yeah, aynı mesafe. Sizin kafanız aynı mesafedir.
your body
Fazla
head is
olması daha az olur.
if your body head is very small, so it's a head. Okay. This from here, see, it's not straight. Yeah, from here, then you see. Yes, see, it's like this curve. Okay, from here you go straight, and then at the end, okay, like this. So you okay. Now I will explain little bit on the maybe tomorrow. I'll explain the characteristics of these three. Why we do three? Yeah. Why do we three, and how should we do three? And then we'll talk more about what kind of visualization we need. Yeah. So that's just beginner. Then we will learn intermediate. Okay. And then at the end we will do advanced. 9 rounds.
Yarın hareketler öğretecek. İlk olarak basit oluyor. Sonra biraz pratikten sonra daha ilerle olacak.
Anlaşıyor.
Kurstan sonra evet sonunda bileceksiniz.
Tamam.
Okay, so any questions? How to do this? Yeah. And tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you may I ask just because when other people talk the camera moves so we don't see the full, but can you show the hitting the breastbone one again just so I can see after you hit the breastbone and your elbows come down, then what's the third movement?
Okay, do you see me?
Yeah, I see you now.
Only me, yeah?
Yeah.
Don't look at others, okay? I'm kidding. Okay, so this, I will show you from side. Okay. Here, like this, you know, touch. And then you bring closer like this. So you see, so, and then now it's straight, yeah? Straight. And because this is not like this, because it's underneath, so there's no chance for this will hit you. So only this part now it's soft. All this is very soft. Okay, so like this, it becomes soft. Okay, so like this, you hit. See? Okay, and then go back if you want, or you can just hit like this, yeah? And then you bow and straight. This is very powerful. You just do yourself right now. See, it will wake you up. Sonia, it's already 1, you know, it will make you not sleep. Okay. Good. Understood, Sonia. Here. Now you close. See, I'm showing from this side. Yeah. It's actually straight, but here, then you do like this. See, now it becomes, you know, straight. So it's like this. Okay. And then you hit. Okay. Like this. Boom. Hit. Center. Okay. This is the breast, where the heart chakra is. Okay. This breast, nipple here. Chakra is inside, but this is this measurement. So you here you hit, you know. Okay.
Okay, 1 second. I need to explain this. Bahar Hanım aslında zihnin yeri en önemli yeri, bir de hayat ruhun oturma yeri. Bilmiyorum ya.
Göğüs kafesi.
Göğüsün uçlar tam ortada. Göğüs ucu var, bilmiyorum. Tam ortada. Orada vurmalısınız.
Evet, şurası. Tamam.
Evet, orada. Hayat orada yaşıyor. Oradan bağlıyor ya vücuda.
Yaptığımız yer burası. Suni teneffüs yaptığımız yer. Okey.
Yeah. Sorry, doctor.
If you want, you can also learn how to sit like this. Okay, so here you cannot actually do this completely, but at least you keep the hand. At least this one is okay, and then this should be 90 degree. See, it should be 90 degree. Yeah.
Ha, evet, eğer öyle oturmak istiyorsanız, öğrenmek istiyorsanız, bu 90 kol ile 90 derece olmalıdır.
So this is now from here, where your hip, right here, you put this like this, and then bring it, yeah. So now you go back and then make it straight, yeah.
Sonra
Straight, down
düzenli,
like this, and then bring it up. So after you bring it up, then you twist your elbow like this. So, okay, so I'll bring closer. See here, see, like this. From there, light is better, yeah. So it's straight. Okay, like now look, see here. I'm twisting the elbow, you know. See,
biraz çevirmelisiniz.
like this. Okay, like first this, and then you learn like this. Like this. Like this. Now twist. Okay. So this actually keeps your body straight.
Bu vücut çok dik tutuyor.
This is difficult, okay, but you can practice this.
Bu biraz zor, pratik edebilirsiniz.
And now if you sit in this position for 5 minutes, you will see a big difference in your physical and mental well-being.
Eğer 5 dakika öyle oturuyorsanız, vücut ve zihin içinde büyük bir fark edeceksiniz.
Marpa Lodzawa, the great master of Milarepa, he said, "Lü Chang na Za Chang." No, this is a saying, you know. Doesn't matter. He said, all the instructions, you know, Buddhist instructions in one, and then his way of sitting instruction. If you compare, he said, even just sitting position alone will not, you know, compete with other instructions. So you see, it's very, very powerful yoga practice, how to sit. So which I will explain all very detailed later in the classes, okay? So, but you can practice this at home, okay? So sometimes people say, oh, my hand is long. I learned from a teacher, and I said, no, teacher, my hand is too long, your hand is short, and he was laughing. I felt the same. I also asked the teacher same question. My hand is long. It's just practice, yeah? Just here, you use here, put this, and then make it, yeah? And go back, you see, straight. Make it straight, and then you come up. Okay, first practice this, and then you can twist, yeah?
Aslında söylüyor ki o öğrenirken öğretmeni söyledi, öğretmenim benim kollar çok uzundur, o yüzden oturamam bu şekilde. Öğretmen kahkaha attı, dedi ki hayır oğlum, sadece pratik yapmalısın. İlk olarak kol dik tut, sonra biraz çevirmeye çalış.
So you practice with one hand, okay? First, both it's difficult, so you practice one and make it straight and bring it, come back, you know.
Tek kol ilk olarak çalışmalısınız, çünkü ikisi de zor oluyor tek ile.
So it says when the body becomes straight, the channels become straight. When the channels become straight, the energy becomes straight. When the energy becomes straight, you will have no negative emotions.
Okay, one second. Tibetçe'de öyle söylüyorlar. Eğer vücut dik olursa kanal dik olacak. Eğer kanal dik olursa enerjiler iyi akıyorlar. Eğer enerjiler iyi akıyorlar. Negatif düşünceler kaçıyorlar ya.
So everybody can sit like this. All can sit or not?
No.
Olga, Sonia, Emma,
Yes.
Anand, everybody can sit like this.
Could you please explain how you, I mean,
Yes.
I cannot sit like this. If you could go into more
Okay.
details, I think it's essential.
Okay, Simona, you sit like this, yeah?
Not really. No.
Okay.
Teacher,
Only the half.
So those male
şöyle.
men, you bring the left, yeah, first, and then this here. For women, you bring the right first, okay, and then you do left. I'll explain why later, okay?
Kadınlar ilk olarak sağ bacak getirmelidir. Erkekler sol bacak. Sonra anlatacak niye.
So this is called full
Show
vajra.
again, please. I'm
Full
sorry, can you show
vajra.
again?
Full vajra, okay? But half vajra for male, you bring it here on the top and this left, yeah? So you can do like this, whatever you want, like this, but you know.
Erkek ilk olarak sol getiriyorlar. Kadınlar sağ.
For women, this on the top, okay? Or you like
Women
this.
to the left goes up. For the, I'm sorry, I got distracted. For the women, the left goes up, or
Yes.
the right goes up.
Left, women always left on the top.
Kadınlar için sol bacak üst geliyor. Sağ bacak aşağı.
Yes. Okay. So this is called half vajra or half lotus in India is very well. We call vajra. And now it's just symbol for men. This symbol is neither half nor full. Yeah. So this outside. Okay. Right outside. Women. This outside.
Kadınlar eğer daha kolay istiyorsanız öyle oturabilirsiniz. Sol bacak dışarıdadır.
Some people prefer sitting like this, you know, and then you, for men, bring this here, and then bring this here, yeah. For women, it's opposite, yeah. Left here, okay. I cannot do this.
Sol üstte olmalıdır. Erkekler sağ.
Okay, so now few exercises. Those who cannot do, you know, butterfly. This is very famous. So bring it, and then you do, you know, like this. Okay. This is very important. You do like many times, and then second one, you make it like a square, real square. Okay. Nice square, and then put this above the angle, and then no need to bend the head. You see, you use the elbow and press down like this.
Buradan bilekten ayak bileği tutacaksınız. Ayak bileğinden tutacaksınız. Dirsek ile aşağı basacaksınız.
Okay, so this you do, and then another effective is you bring,
Daha var.
put this on your arm like a baby, you know.
Dr. Chok, is left or right? Is there a
Both,
difference?
doesn't matter. You do. It's just exercise, you know.
Bu sadece bebek gibi tutacaksınız.
Okay, your baby up, bring up
Ya üst.
your baby on your lap, and then you do this, yeah.
So.
You flex the toe of the other leg.
Bir de diğer parmak, diğer bacağının parmak üst havada olmalıdır.
So this flex, you see, it's not like this flex, and then bring up, and then you do this, yeah, like this, many times as you like. At the end, you hold it.
Ne kadar sıklıkla yapacaksınız ya da kaç kere yapmak isterseniz yapın. Sonunda.
And then touch your heart like this, see, and hold it and breathe in and out.
I lost you. Touch your heart. Wait. Where are you, Dr. Chok?
Space is not good, yeah. So like this, you can do many times. Hold, okay, bring up, and then pull it to your heart. See here, and hold it.
Kalbe doğru bitirdiğinde kalbe doğru getirin.
And then you do a little bit, yeah, relax. Okay. So this will warm you up, and now good exercise here. This is very, very effective for sitting cross leg, you know. So first you can bring any leg, this part, you sit here. So it's not like this, yeah. Away from the knee. So this should be straight. From many like this, yeah. You cannot. Okay, so it's like this. You can do a little bit exercise, okay, or you can put your hand here.
Yeah.
And now walk. 1, 2, 3. Walk as much as you can, yeah. So you walk now. You see, now they are in straight line. Okay, straight line. See, now there is a triangle here. Okay, triangle. See, so it's like this. It's straight. Yeah. So this should be, you see, away, not here. Yeah. Bring it here. Okay. And now this exercise very good, you know, very good for opening the hip. So like this, then you turn this side and you walk. You no need to bend. You just, you know, feel it here. See, and then you stay like this. Okay. Some people can only sit up to this for the beginner. Yeah. Just sit like this, relax, you know, and walk a little bit, stay, breathe in, and slowly, in 1 month, you can go straight. Then do opposite, same here, you do opposite. Okay, you walk, and then you can bend. Then in front also, you go straight. Okay. And now do the opposite here. Yeah, it's painful, but it's very good to open, yeah. So first like this, see, it's up, okay. Don't press, you can do a little exercise, but then touch here, and you bend from the back, you know, you just walk, it will go down. Okay, and then you stretch, stretch, stretch. And if you can do opposite here. Put your hand here, behind the knee, elbow like this, see, like this. So this will help you to open the hip. Okay, any questions? These are just simple exercises, yeah. And then we will learn a little bit on meditation. Yes, questions please. Or if you don't agree, you can debate with me, yeah.
I have a question. You
Yes.
said you will explain why it's important for a woman to cover the left, to go with the left leg up.
Okay, sure. Any other questions? No questions?
Yeah,
Then-
I have a question too.
Yes, Nikki.
So when the last one where you were saying we could open up and you said there should be a triangle.
Yeah.
I'm double jointed and I immediately go all the way. There's not a very big triangle. Does it have to be 90 degrees for the one leg underneath, or like there's a very small triangle. Basically, I'm touching my crotch when my legs do that. How much space do I need to have?
This, and you see, what do you call this in English? This area, this, what do you call it?
The sole of the foot.
Not so like here, this part. You
Oh,
know, it's-
the arch.
yeah, arch. You see, so this is outside. Don't this angle, yeah. So this there is also inside concave, and then you put this concave here. So it's outside, right? Now knee is outside, not knee.
Okay.
outside. And now this, if you put down, this should go in the, what do you call that?
The arch.
That, yeah, not this one, yeah. So see here. Now see, look here. I'll show you. Do you see?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, first it's like this, yeah. Many, it's like this. Slowly it will go.
Mm.
Oh,
Once you know, when you feel comfortable, then you bring it, you know, and bring it like this, yeah.
But I can get to that already. Do I need to do the other one then?
Yes, not to practice the other. For women, you do first this, yeah, right, and then you do left.
Yes. I can do that.
Good. Then it's very good. You're flexible. So now I answer Emma's, yeah. So Emma, this is related with the channel, okay, which I will explain later. We have right channel, left channel, yeah, and central channel. So we have names. Right channel is called Roma and Kyangma. For male, because many of you are women, so we women first, okay. So for women, okay, this one, right, is opposite. It's Kyangma, okay, Kyangma and Roma. So because the women and male, you see, the side channels are opposite, which you don't see this in, I have not come across any of the Indian yoga traditions. In our tradition, you know, Buddhist and also in Pen, it's always opposite. Okay, so that's quite unique, you know. Therefore, because of that, you see, and then anyway, right channel is related with method. Left channel is related with wisdom. So method and wisdom. Okay.
Right. Just 1 second. Can I translate? Just 1 second, please. Bahar Hanım, birisi sordu niye kadınlar öyle oturuyorlar, niye erkekler öyle oturuyorlar? O diyor ki Tibet yoga içinde kanal çok önemlidir. Kadınların ve erkeğin zıttır aslında. Vücut tam zıttır. The left is wisdom, right? Right method, left wisdom, right?
Mm.
Sol yöntemdir, sağ akıl ya da bilgiyle bağlıdır. Öyle gösteriyor. Üç tane kanal var, çok önemli kanallar. Thank you.
So for women, it's opposite. So it's very interesting because this is the channel, and so see, it's very nice. I will send in the group. Later, I will explain all these things.
Bu gruba gönderecek, her şey anlatacak.
Okay. So first, you see, Emma, you understood. So therefore, you see, even when you this hands, you know, because this is method, which is the altruism, you know.
Yöntem aslında kendi başkaları düşünmektir.
Wisdom, and this is a method, altruism or bodhicitta, and this is wisdom. So here, therefore, it's on the top.
Sol bilgedir.
Same here. So this is wisdom, top method, so it should be on the top. Because women, it's opposite. So you see, wisdom underneath, you put the method on the top. So here also hands like this. Yeah.
Bacak öyle koyarken demek ki söylüyorsunuz, vücuda söylüyorsunuz ki ilk olarak bilgi geliyor ve bilginin üstünde yöntem geliyor. Aslında yöntem merhamet ve diğerlere düşünmektir.
So I have a question, if you don't mind. This is Sonia.
Sure.
I'll turn my video on. So in that posture for women, then the right hand is also on the bottom if you're going to do that position, right? Okay.
Eller aynı şekilde ilk olarak kadınlar sağ koyuyorlar, sonra sağın üstünde sol geliyor. Aynı
The
şekilde.
method, it's method. You see, method. You see the whole, Buddhist idea. I'm not teaching Buddhist, but I'm taking, you see, the principle. You see, the whole thing is male and female. Okay, male and female energies. Okay, male and female energy, and then they also flow in different channels. Okay. This or this is confusing, yeah. So women, so most of you are women, so I will learn women. Okay. I'll explain that. Okay. Understood. So the method is the kindness, compassion, altruism, this mind for others. That's a method.
Yöntem söylediğinde demek ki iyi kalpli şeydir, merhamettir, öyle şeyler, diğerlere düşünmektir. Bir de söylediğim gibi kadınların vücudu ve erkeklerin vücudu tam tersidir. Tam ters çalışıyorlar. Mesela erkekler için tam tersdir. Bir de bütün vücut enerjiler bir kadın enerji ve erkek enerji, onlar dengede olmalıdır.
And the wisdom energy is we both have the same potential, but you see, for women you have, for men we have, same. Okay, without these two it doesn't work, even to the subatomic level. Like in atom, you see, you have electron and proton, plus and minus. Without electron, no chances of survival for the proton. So these two energies are needed, even for enlightenment. We're not talking enlightenment, but for good health. These two energies should balance. Okay.
Bir dakika, one second, I'll just translate. Bahar Hanım, o diyor ki bir atomun içinde proton var, elektron var. Onlar aynı şekilde pozitif enerji, negatif enerji. Onlar her zaman dengede olmalıdır. O yüzden biz nefes yoga yapıyoruz, vücut dengelemeye çalışıyoruz. Dengedeyken kafamız sağlam, kötü düşünceler ya da kötü
We will learn more in the coming, not all today.
I think I get it. You're saying on women's bodies, the right side is the method, which is the male energy.
The left side.
Okay. The left side is
Could you write it
method.
down for us in the chat? Don't you think it's going to be more easier if it's going to be written? So this way we don't have to ask you too many questions and waste the time.
Oh
It's
yeah,
going to be in the
sorry.
chat. Can someone take time and write it down? Thank you.
Okay.
So I can just write, Dr. Chok. So for men is right side is the method in men, right?
Don't confuse. You are who you are. Okay, if you're a woman, and then consider left. Then you don't need to know about men. Men only one, only two.
But we have a gentleman. We have a gentleman and Ahmed, right? Two gentlemen on the call.
Anand. Okay, Anand, for us, you see, and the boy here, right? This is okay. This is the method. You remember this. Left, automatically you don't know. For women, you see, this is method. That's it. The other, you know one, and rest other is opposite. Yeah. Okay. Understood. Okay. So we talk about channel, petals, chakras, all this coming later. Okay. And now tomorrow we talk about energy a little bit, also position, why this matters, all this. Yeah. Are we having class tomorrow?
Tomorrow or next week?
No, try tomorrow.
Oh, I can't come tomorrow. I thought it was just Saturday.
Yeah.
So when you can't attend class, because lots of people, we're going to be, it's summer and some people will go on vacation and so on, but we will record the class.
Great.
And we will just forward the recorded classes to you.
Lovely, thank you.
Okay. Now, what time? How many minutes we did?
Oh, we started at 7 and it's 8:19.
Okay. Any questions so far? What I shared? Any questions? Any critical debate?
Sorular var mı Bahar Hanım, Ahmet?
It's clear, right? Clear.
Yes, very clear.
Very clear.
Good. Okay. Very intelligent people. Yeah. I was confused.
Akıllısınız diyor ya. Her şeyi anlıyorsunuz.
So to know more, you should read this book. Okay.
Her şey bilmek için Secret Map of the Body. Galwan, who is that? Galwan who?
Jawa Yangwemba.
Can you just post it in the WhatsApp, Chokla? Maybe just take a picture and post it in the WhatsApp group.
Okay.
Later,
This-
not now, not now.
Yeah, you can ask question. I will do that.
Off.
I would request you to add me to the WhatsApp group. I will just text my number.
Yes, just text it. Do you have my number, Anand?
No, I don't have.
Okay, I'll just write it in the chat. So it's
Yeah,
Here
then
it
I
is,
will
my number.
okay. I'll add you now.
Any other questions? Please ask questions. Then I will put this, yeah? And then you read this as well. Because these books you can get from the library, yeah? They're very good books. Okay. This actually changed my life, you know?
The body, energy structure.
Yeah, this one is written in 12th century. 12th century by Yangwemba, famous.
Bu kitap hayatım değiştirdi. 12. Yüzyılda yazılmıştı.
Okay, shall I send now? Okay. So when Anand, maybe because if you miss it, then Negi will send you.
No, I'm just adding him now to the group. 1 second.
Any other questions?
Are we going to have a meditation right now? Because I have to go. I'm really limited with the time. I was planning to be done at this time.
Okay.
Please. Thank you.
Any questions? Yes, no questions? Clear? Then you watch the video again, okay? Good. So now, did you add? So Yangwemba, Jawa Yangwemba, 12th century, and the other one is 15th century scholar Tsongkhapa, yeah? So these two books very good to understand the body structure, the map of the body. You know, so it talks about the subtle, no, gross, subtlemost body, speech, you know, and mind. So very detailed. Okay. I read this, I think, in 2009 in Tibetan. And I thought, okay, I should translate this, you know. But later, you know, I came, oh, it's already translated. It's quite expensive, 25 or something.
Simona,
Yes.
bu ayakların böyle düzgün yapılmasının önemi ne? Hani öbürküler kötü enerjiydi.
Sonra anlatıyorum size. Sonra.
Okay.
Have you sent the Dr. Chok? Have you sent the book?
Yes, yes. When okay, I already sent here. Okay.
Thank you.
In Tibetan, we have only about 40 folios. Tibetan book is long, yeah, like this. It's a loose. So 40 folios means about 80 pages. This book, you know, very thick, but you will understand. The other one is Narochudo, 6 yogas from Naroba. And that is, you know, very, very clear description of our body. Okay. Okay, so now we talk a little bit on meditation. So meditation, yeah, because it's a program. If we learn slowly, okay. So here topic, what is meditation or mindfulness? Yeah, the benefit now you already know. You Google, based on science. You see, Mind and Life Conference, Mind and Life Conference. His Holiness Dalai Lama and scientists, they have a website. You can go. These are based on science, So I'm not going to talk about this. You can just Google benefits of meditation. And what is meditation? This is very, very important, Anyone, what is meditation? Your understanding, what is meditation?
Becoming familiar with the mind.
Yeah. Anyone? What is
Quieting
meditation?
the-
Controlling
quieting the
mind
mind.
and deep thinking.
Anand, what did you say?
It's about controlling mind and with deep thinking.
Deep thinking. Okay. Sonia?
Right.
Yeah, it's sort of the equivalent of like brushing your teeth, but for your mind, just maybe reducing like the monkey mind, the thoughts, letting them settle.
Interesting. Anyone?
Yeah, I think it's clearing your mind of the thoughts.
Clearing your soul, right?
No, clearing your mind from any thoughts.
What is thought?
I think somebody's we get some background noise. If you don't mind muting yourselves, please.
Okay. So Tibetan word is gom. G-O-M. You can put gom, right? Okay. Gom, and there's another word called gom. Cannot write this in English. Gom and
I'm writing it, right? Gompa. Gompa check. Yeah?
Gom is gom is intentional, yeah. So gom. So this is not equivalent to meditate. Gom means to get used to, okay, to accustom to something intentionally, and then when you accustom, and then it becomes gom. Okay, gom first, and then becomes gom. That means you are accustomed to. Okay.
Just one second. Let me just translate. So Bahar Hanım, meditasyon nedir diye konudur. Doktor Chok söylüyor ki meditasyon zihin ile, bizim ruhumuz ile ya da zihin ile
Bağlantı kurmak.
sadece alıştırmak ya da izlemek ya da öyle bir şey, bilmiyorum tam.
Konsantre olmak gibi bir şey.
Konsantre olmak değil. Sadece tanıştırmak.
Ha, tamam.
Zihni tanıştırmak. Kimdir, zihin nedir öyle. Sorry, Dr. Chok.
Gom is not concentration. A lot of people misunderstand. It's not also focus. Okay.
Konsantrasyon değil, focus değil. Ya.
Gom is relaxation. The best relaxation.
Rahatlamak ya gibi.
So now you see, then we say gom. You see, it's like like driving. It's very difficult. So many things, all this, yeah. But later you see, everything becomes natural through training.
Aslında başlangıçta araba sürmek öğretmek gibidir. İlk olarak çok dikkat ediyorsun, fakat sonra rahatlıyorsun doğal olarak. Bizim bir parçadır.
Okay, now you see, we'll talk more, but there are so many different types of gom in my tradition. Okay? So, but you see, when you divide these two, we say jokom and jegom. So jokom is single-pointed mindfulness or meditation. Okay.
Aslında bir sürü meditasyon tarz var. En önemli 2 tane var. Tek konsantrasyon nokta olarak. Single pointed concentration and the other one is?
Not concentration, single pointed meditation.
Meditation, yeah. Tek
And other one
nokta
is
meditasyon.
analytical.
Ve inceleme meditasyon gibi. Analiz etmek meditasyonu.
So analytical meditation, maybe if you check the PDF, it's way down, yeah. Okay, because everybody loves to have single pointed meditation. So now you see formal meditation, informal meditation. Okay, we call tun and tunsam. Tun is in the session, and tunsam means no session, yeah. So it's an informal meditation. So I'll teach you both. In the single pointed meditation or analytical, you can, just maybe half an hour. That's formal. Informal, maybe you are in the toilet, maybe you're driving, you're walking, this no need to be formal.
Yani iki tür meditasyon var. Aynı zamanda otururken bir tür meditasyon, sonra işler yaparken. Can it be mindfulness, Dr. Chok? The one.
Yes, yeah. You can call it mindfulness.
Mindfulness, right? So dikkat etmek, ya. Mesela oturmuyorsun, meditasyon gibidir. Mesela benim left ayak ne yapıyor, sağ el ne yapıyor, öyle düşünmek, ya. Ben şimdi yemek pişiriyorum, bu yapıyorum. Bilmiyorum mindfulness ne demek. Sonra yazıyorum size.
The second word for mindfulness is temba nyersha. You see? Temba nyersha. Then we have 4. Okay. Lu temba nyersha towa. Okay. Sem che. The 4. We will be covered anyway later. Or meditation, you can say. Now the word meditation, you should understand. Meditation is not emptying. No, it's not emptying. Actually, it's full. Okay, so now very simple. Let's say the nature of meditation is awareness. Remember this, okay? The nature of meditation is awareness. Gomgi ngo temba inla. Okay, gomgi gom ngo nature temba awareness. Gomgi ngo temba in. So therefore you see the word temba, mindfulness comes. Okay. So what is meditation?
Awareness.
Awareness.
Zihinle barıştırmak, kendini zihinle tanıştırmak.
So raise your hand, those who know what awareness is.
Meditasyonun özü farkındalıktır.
Yes.
Farkındalıktır.
It or just thumbs up, yeah. Yeah, thumbs up. You know what awareness is?
Farkındalık ne demek biliyor musunuz? Eğer biliyorsanız bu verebilirsiniz. Bu tepki verebilirsiniz.
Yes, Sonia, yes or no? Up or down? Anand, up. You know awareness.
Yeah, I know. It's hard for me to describe,
Okay,
but I know.
You know it's fine.
Yeah.
Ahmed and Bahar, you know what awareness is?
Bahar Hanım, farkındalık nedir biliyor musunuz?
Olga is down and
Ahmed, do you know? Do you know what is awareness?
Zihinle tanışmak, zihni çözebilmek gibi.
Is it your brain working or like solving a problem in the brain?
Do you know what awareness? Yes or no?
Sadece biliyor musunuz farkındalık nedir? Biliyor musunuz ya da bilmiyorsunuz?
Do you know or not? Very simple question. Yes or no?
Evet ya da hayır.
Hayır.
Don't think much.
No.
No. Very good. Okay. So now it's good news. If you don't know what awareness is,
İyi haberlerim var söylüyor. Eğer bilmiyorsunuz,
you already know awareness. Okay? If you don't know,
eğer bilmiyorsunuz aslında gerçekten farkındasınız ya.
if you know what awareness is also very good. Okay, but if some are like Sonia, also very good, you know.
Eğer bilmiyorsanız iyidir, eğer biliyorsanız iyidir, eğer emin değilsiniz iyidir. Her şey aynı.
Now, what awareness means? Awareness means to know. Okay.
Farkındalık nedir? Bilmektir. Ya aslında bilmek.
Okay. So hakowa is hakowa shemba, to know, to be aware. So I don't know what awareness is, means you are aware that you don't know. So that is itself is awareness. Okay. I know what awareness is. That means you are aware that you know, you're aware of awareness. Oh, I don't know. Still, you know, you're aware that you are, you see, so basically you know what awareness is. Okay. Okay. Understood so far? Clear?
Yep.
So the nature of meditation is awareness. Awareness means to know. That's it. So awareness is all the time with us. It's like the sky. It's with us 24 hours.
Farkındalık bizimle 24 saat bizimledir. Gökyüzü gibidir.
But because we are not aware of the awareness, therefore you say, you know, but you're still aware.
Farkındalık farkında değiliz ya.
Okay, so good news is we have awareness all the time, but we are not aware of the awareness.
İyi haber, farkındalık var, sahibiz. Kötü haber, farkındalık sahibiz, bilmiyoruz.
Bilmiyoruz.
And the opposite is distraction.
Onun zıttı kafa karıştırmak ya da dikkat etmemek.
So now you see, and our awareness is very, very, you know, we are aware. As I say, awareness is like sky, it's always with us, but to be aware of it is very short.
Farkındalık gökyüzü gibidir. Fakat onu bilmek çok kısa zamandır. Onu anlamak ya.
Or it is too close that we don't see it. We are not aware of it.
Ya da bize çok yakındır. O kadar yakın ki biz anlamıyoruz. Onu göremiyoruz.
Now to build this, you know, to prolong this awareness, then we use, you know, different methods.
O farkındalık uzatmak için birkaç yöntem var.
So I'll teach you so many different methods, and you choose, you practice all of them, then whatever is good, then you build that awareness based on that.
Size bir sürü yöntem öğreteceğim. Siz her şey deneyeceksiniz. Hangisi size yakınsa onu yapın.
Okay, so now you understood. Now distraction means you are not aware of the object, yeah?
Dikkat etmemek demek ki farkındalık yok. Yeah?
Any questions? With the first, you must know what meditation or mindfulness or gom is. First, you should know the meaning, and then you see, once you know this, and then you practice.
Soru var mı? İlk olarak farkındalık nedir bilmelisiniz. Sonra nasıl pratik yapmak bilmelisiniz, anlamalısınız. Soru var mı?
So, any questions?
Bilmediğim için soru yok şu anda Simona. Daha çok başında olduğum için sorum yok.
Yeah. She just started now. She doesn't.
Very good. Yeah. And we learn several methods in the course of time, and then we practice. Yeah, every week we have like 5 days to practice. You practice and you share your experience.
Her hafta pratik olacak. Go ahead, Anand. Go ahead.
Okay, I have a question. Dr. Chok, you said about the awareness. the awareness and mindfulness, it is something awareness regarding the surroundings, or it is about inner soul also. That's counting meditation.
Just one second, let me translate. Anand soruyor ki bu farkındalık bizim etrafımızdaki şeyler ya da bizim içindemiz ya da içindeki farkındalık ya da dışarıdaki farkındalık hangisidir?
Okay, Anand. Is it Chakraborty?
Yes, it's Chakraborty.
Same like Mithun Chakraborty?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So famous Indian, actor.
Yeah.
When I was young, I love him, He kicked and so many people fall down, and we say,
Not anymore, Dr. Chok.
Okay, so Chakraborty, Mithun Chakraborty. Okay, so now we will. Your question, you see, for this, single pointed meditation, you can use object or no object, yeah?
Yep.
With sign or without sign. Okay, so with sign, we have whatever our five sense consciousness perceive, you can use that. For example, sight, color, shape. I can perform only two things, yeah? I will not see movement. I only see shape and color.
Just one second. Söylüyor ki sadece eğer tek nokta meditasyon yapıyorsak sadece bir şey görebiliriz. Mesela bir obje görebiliriz fakat hareket göremiyoruz. Çünkü tek nokta var. Sorry.
We think our eye can see movement. It's wrong. We don't see.
Yani eğer aynı zamanda bir obje görüyorsunuz ve hareket görüyorsunuz, iki nokta var, yanlış.
Our sense consciousness are like mirror.
Bizim duygular değil ya. Göz, kulak, bilmiyorum. Cilt, onlar ayna gibidir.
Yeah, then you use sound.
Ya ses kullanabilirsiniz.
You can use smell.
Ya koku kullanabilirsiniz.
Taste.
Ya tadı kullanabilirsiniz.
Body sensation.
Ya da vücudun his kullanabilirsiniz.
So 5 sense consciousness and then 5 sense objects.
5 his var, 5 hissinin objeler var ya.
So all this will come. We will slowly practice, and then we can use breath.
Nefes kullanabiliriz yaparken, meditasyon yaparken.
That alone has like 16 different ways of meditating on breath.
16 yöntem var, şekil var. Nefes sadece nefes obje kullanarak ya.
I'll teach you 1, maybe 3 different ways of meditating on breath.
3 yöntem öğreneceğim ben.
Okay, so today is maybe we will conclude with guided meditation, yeah?
Ya biz şimdi meditasyon yapacağız.
Okay.
Ahmet'in en sevdiği.
So you can just lie down if you want.
Eğer isterseniz yatay yapabilirsiniz. Yatarak yapabilirsiniz.
Relax, lie down like a dead body.
Rahat ölü vücut gibi, ceset gibi yatabilirsiniz.
And if it's cold, then you put something, yeah?
Eğer soğuksa bir
Okay.
battaniye kullanabilirsiniz.
And
We have 10 minutes, Dr. Chok, by the way.
Huh?
We have 10 minutes.
Yeah, so I'll do 10 minutes of guided meditation, okay? Close your eyes, just relax, completely relax. It's good if you just, lie down. You will relax because it will not disturb, yeah? Okay? And now don't watch me, just...
Beni izlemeyin. Sadece göz kapatarak dinleyin.
Relax. Are you ready?
Ready?
Good.
Read it.
I'm
Read
ready.
it. Read it.
Me ready. My mom.
Okay. Close your eyes. If you are sitting straight, just relax completely. Keep your spine loosely straight and just
Eğer dik oturuyorsanız sırt dik olsun.
watch your jaw because jaw is tight.
Çene çok sert olması, rahat olsun.
And maybe open your lips a little bit
Biraz az açabilirsiniz, dudaklar açabilirsiniz.
and just listen.
Sadece dinleyin.
Close your eyes and listen. First, feel your forehead.
Başınız duyabilirsiniz.
Your forehead. Any sensation on your forehead is fine, pleasant, unpleasant, even no sensation. Just be aware of the sensation on your forehead. Now feel the crown of your head. Back of your head, just feel. Your ears, right and left. Any sensation, don't say it good sensation, just feel it, just feel it. Now your eyes, your cheeks, jaw, just relax and just feel. Now feel the whole head. Any sensation is fine. You can also feel the air, wind, doesn't matter. Warmth, cold, heat, doesn't matter, just feel it. Now feel your neck, throat, and your shoulder, right shoulder. Now scan slowly down to your arm and feel the elbow, forearm to wrist. Any sensation. Feel your right thumb, index, middle, ring, little finger. Just feel. And the tip of your fingers, right fingers. Just feel. Any sensation is okay. Your palm and the back of your hand. Don't get distracted, just feel. Now feel the whole right arm. Now feel your left shoulder and just scan down to elbow, forearm, wrist, thumb, index, middle, ring, and little. Slowly, you just feel. And the tip.
Biz baştan başladık. Aşağı iniyoruz. Bahar Hanım sol taraf duyuyoruz, sağ taraf duyuyoruz. Şimdi parmaklara vardık.
Feel the left palm and the back.
Sol el, hissettin.
Be aware of the sensation.
Sadece nasıl hissediyor konsantre olmalısınız.
Now feel the whole left hand. Now feel the right armpit and left armpit.
Sol, kol altına sol ve sağ hissettin.
Feel your breastbone.
Kemik
And your breasts and
kaburga
nipple.
kemiği. Göğüs.
Any sensation, just be aware.
Sadece farkında olmalısınız.
Now feel your stomach and abdomen.
Mide ve karın hissettin.
And your private parts.
Özel bölgeler.
The perineum area. Now feel your spine from top
Omurga.
to bottom.
Üstten aşağı inebilirsiniz.
Slowly scan down. Any sensation is fine.
Herhangi bir his iyidir. Olabilir.
Now feel your buttock.
Oturma yeri,
Feel the gravity.
poponun yer çekimi hissettin.
And slowly scan your right thigh to knee.
Yavaşça sol bacak.
And your calf muscle and the shin bone.
Ayağa kadar inebilirsiniz.
And now do the same to your left.
Aynı şekilde sol ayak bacağa kadar, bacak ayağa kadar inebilirsiniz.
Okay. Now feel the whole two legs.
İki bacak hissettin.
We have only less than 1 minute. So next time I will do longer. Okay. Now relax and breathe in and out. Feel your breath.
Rahatlayın. Sadece nefese konsantre olmalısınız.
Okay. See you tomorrow, same time, yeah?
Thank
Tomorrow
you.
we'll begin with this guided meditation and then we'll study, okay? And then you ask.
Thank you, guys. Wonderful.